Welcome to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest and in-depth reviews of everyday products. Today, we're going to be talking about the best plastic containers for desserts, the Sickle 300-count clear plastic hinged takeout containers. These versatile and practical containers are perfect for all your dessert storage needs, whether you're serving cake slices, cookies, or any other sweet treats. Let's dive into what makes these containers stand out from the rest. First, let's talk about the size. Each container has an outside diameter of 5.3 inches by 4.7 inches, with an inside dimension of around 4 inches by 4 inches. This size is ideal for a variety of desserts, from a single slice of cake to cookies and even salads. These containers are compact enough for easy storage but large enough to hold a satisfying portion, making them perfect for parties, picnics, or just a quick snack on the go. The Sickle containers come in a pack of 300, giving you more than enough for large gatherings or a bakery business. They are made from clear plastic, which allows you to see exactly what's inside, making it easy to identify contents at a glance. This is especially helpful when you're packing multiple desserts or dishes and need to keep everything organized. These containers are not only practical but also lightweight and portable. Their hinged design makes them easy to open and close, and the snap lock closure ensures a tight seal, keeping your desserts fresh. The lid is designed to snap shut with a reassuring click, giving you confidence that the container is securely closed, preventing spills or messes. This feature is particularly important when you're transporting desserts, as it ensures they stay in perfect condition. Durability is another great feature of these plastic containers. Despite their lightweight feel, they're sturdy enough to hold a variety of foods, whether you're storing cake slices, cookies, or even salads. The clear plastic material makes it easy to see the contents, and the transparent nature allows you to keep track of how much is left, so you're never caught off guard. One of the most notable things about the Sickle containers is their versatility. Not only are they perfect for desserts like cakes, cookies, and pastries, but they can also be used for other food items like fruit slices, pasta, or even snacks. They're great for birthday parties, school events, or any occasion where you need to pack or serve food in a simple, efficient way. Whether you're serving up cake for a birthday or packing a snack for your next picnic, these containers will get the job done. The price is another highlight. At $33.99 for 300 containers, you're paying just 11 cents per piece, which is an excellent value considering the quality and quantity you get. For anyone who regularly hosts events or owns a business that requires individual food packaging, this is a cost-effective choice. In conclusion, the Sickle 300-count clear plastic hinged takeout containers are a fantastic option for anyone looking to store or serve desserts in a convenient, durable, and affordable way. Their clear plastic design, secure lock, and versatile size make them perfect for everything from cakes and cookies to salads and snacks. Whether you're a baker, a party host, or someone who just likes to keep their desserts fresh and portable, these containers are an excellent choice. Thanks for watching this review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this. We'll see you in the next video.